So I want to take you on a tour of what my client sees when they come to get their hair done at my house. We're coming in the foyer, and as you can see, the apartment is over here, but they don't even have to go over there because they come right to this little corridor, and this is where my salon starts. Behind this door is our guest restroom that only the guests use, and this is what they see right at the start.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wonder. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real.
Okay, so it is the end of the day, ladies, and I'm just going to show you the salon suite that I've built out of my house, starting with the fact that my customers come in from the front door and they just come right here to this corridor. They don't even have to go into the apartment, which is what I really love. And like I said, it's the end of the day, so forgive everything. Right here behind this door is the guest restroom, and so they can just go in here and do their business. It's kept nice and clean, and no one in the family uses it because it's for my guest. And then this is what they see walking into my salon, and so I'm just gonna walk in so you can kind of see it. Because I'm so excited. I love this place. So we'll start here. You must have a TV in your salon. This is a cute little, I think it was like 32-inch, something little. And those are pretty cheap. You can find them on Amazon. They're always on sale, but I love it because when my client is sitting in their chair, if they get bored with their phone, they have something to look at, and I have all of the streaming services just for them. Okay, so the next thing is my Amazon wardrobe rack, and I got a small one because I didn't need a big one, but I just wanted one so that when clients come in, if they haven't already purchased bundles online, they can just pick off the rack. So as you can see, we had a good day. There's not much left. Also, I love this particular one because it had the shelves at the bottom, and normally I keep like t-shirts or some sort of apparel down here, and again, I am sold out, so that's why you don't see anything there. But normally I'll keep like a t-shirt or something there. They'll just be nice and folded, and so it just gives people more incentive to shop. And then I like to just hang my measuring tape here because I already label my hair for the length, but I like to, let the client measure it themselves so they can know for sure that they're getting exactly what they're paying for. This part is one of my favorite parts of the room. This is my little store, and some people may think that this is a little extra for an apartment. I don't, because I think that if you're going to do something, you need to do it well and do it to the best of your ability. And you never know, I know that one day I'm going to have a freestanding store, but why not start now? So that's the kind of vibe that I was trying to create for my apartment little hair room. So it just has my logo. I created that and then just printed it out and hung it up. And then it has some of the textures that we sell so people can go ahead and feel them and see what they like. And I also have some hair down here for demonstrations. These don't get sold. So this is like a curly that someone wanted to flat iron. So we have that, and it's just really bouncy and curly. And then I also have some clips here so they can see how those work. Again, this is not what goes out into packages. This is just for people who come into the store. And then I have my straights and wavies and curlies, and then I also sell tapes, and I also do tapes in the salon, so that's why I have these here. And then these are the mailers, so they're just here for decoration, but these are the mailers, so when people purchase hair online, that's what their hair gets shipped out in. And then I like to keep these bags down here, and I usually have more, but this is all I have left for the end of the day. So if people buy any type of retail product, my bags are already stuffed with tissue paper, and so I can just throw in their products and they're on their way out the door. And then if anyone has any questions about some of the features of my hair, I just build out these brochures really quickly. I just laid them out on my computer and printed them in their color on the inside and out. and just has like all of my features. And I'm holding my phone with one hand, so it's not really showing, but I just kind of have like features for why you should choose it and what is going on, and accentuate your beautiful, and then all the contact information on the back. So that was pretty simple. You can just make a brochure on your computer, but it's just one more way to disseminate information and make sure that your client is educated on everything that you offer so that they will understand the value of your product. You're not just throwing something to them. You're really going to take the time out to educate them on the differences between your products and others. Okay, so this corner is kind of like a catch-all, but it's okay. I have my licensing at the top, and I have some more licensing and some more certifications to put up there. I have my ring light and my wig block, and I have my retail products. So these are all of my products for taping extensions. So these are all just specially formulated for my tape-ins, and so when people need to purchase stuff for maintenance of their tapes, they already know how much it costs. They don't have to figure it out or feel weird about asking me the price because it's already there posted for them. And then I also sell just for like natural hair and just for regular hair care maintenance for your own hair, the Influence product line, and I really like it because it does keep the hair healthy, and these are just my main favorites. I don't have too many that I have to use from that line, but these are my main favorites to keep the scalp healthy and clean while you're in an extension set. So that's what I love that. Forgive this. This is not normally there, but this is just my hole punch for my tags. And this hair is going out, so that's why I have this out, because I had to put my tags on my hair. And I keep everything that I need for shipping in this little white case. I think I got it from IKEA, but as you can see, it's just like a ton of stuff because I need all of that to make my box when I ship out hair. These brushes, I love them so much. They're so pretty. They match the Miracle Lux pink. So I made sure I had them. And every time I get a client, if she's new to the studio, I'll call it, she gets a brush. So even if she doesn't buy any of the other products, she gets a brush, and I just go ahead and put one in one of these bags when she's on her way out. And they're so cute because they're little. So they're perfect size for her purse or whatever, and she can brush her hair, and it's just like a little gift, like a little thank you for coming in the shop. But it's always great when you hand them a bag, they just feel so good about coming to support you, and they definitely come back and automatically look over here to see what else they can purchase. So that's my little retail space. Oh yeah, and my speaker, because if they're not looking at TV, we're listening to some music, of course. So now that it's dark outside, during the day I try to like tape this, but it was too bright and you couldn't see it. These are my pink curtains, and I really wanted them. They are pink velvet, and I got them from Amazon, and they're just really pretty. I didn't measure, I should have, because they're kind of short, but they do clear the window, so that's good. And then during the day, sometimes it gets hot in here because this window is so big, but during the day when I open this up, it's just so much sunlight that comes in here that sometimes I don't even have to have my light on. As you can see, that's a big mirror, a big window. So that's that. And then here is my styling station, so I'll just walk through here. And like I said, it's the end of the day, so forgive me. So there's my trash, and at the end of the day or between clients, I'll just pull out that pink bag and replace it with a new trash bag. And there's some of my trash in the back because I haven't thrown it all out yet. But, between clients, sometimes it's like quick turnaround, so I just kind of stuff it back there so no one sees it. And then at the end of the night, I will throw it all away. All of my magazines are kept at the bottom of this cart, and I got this cart from IKEA. And then on the second shelf, you can see I have my soiled tools and my clean tools. So anything that I use for a client goes into soiled, and then I'll just pull again from clean if I don't already have it on my station. And that's just the best way I can keep up with it. And then all the soiled items are cleaned, and then they sit into the barbicide after they're cleaned to make sure they're disinfected and sanitized. And then they are air dried, and then they go back into the clean. So it's the whole process. I usually leave the top of this kind of just like clear. This is like some leftover hair from my last client, but normally I just keep it clear, and then I can just roll this closer to me if I need something that I don't have on my station. These are capes, and I have a ton of capes, but these are the only ones that are left. And those command strip hooks, you can get you can get those from Home Depot. Okay, so coming to my station, I got this station from IKEA, and I love it because it's so industrial with the metal grid. If you don't already know, my colors are black and pink, but I wanted to kind of break it up a little bit. I didn't want to just be literally black and pink everywhere, so this is kind of like a nice change of pace. Those bottom boxes keep most of my hair products, and in that white box I keep every single receipt for tax purposes. These are all of my hot tools. So I have like the extra long hot tool barrel, the regular 1 inch, I have the skinny one, and then I have the crock flat iron because I love that the most. I do African American hair, so I need that hot comb, of course. And oops, somebody left their headphones there, but that's that. This is my hot mat, or whatever you call it, so I don't leave any heat marks on this. These are my Olaplex finishing products, and I just keep a bunch of these. I get all of those like holiday gift sets, just get like multiple ones and you'll never run out. These are my like microlink beads, and most of my clients are either black hair or dark brown hair, so I generally only keep those, but I do have some blonde beads at the bottom should I need them, but I generally never need them. This is my Influence antibacterial soap, and I absolutely love it. It smells so good. And then I got this little egg thing from Home Goods, and I like it because I keep all of my needles, and I have all different sizes in there. So I love like the small ones, but I have like big ones too. I have medium sized ones, like they're all different sizes, as you can see. So that's what I keep in there. And then of course my nylon thread, because I need my nylon thread for my beaded weft. These are all my microlinking and beaded weft tools. And yes, they are two different things. They are not the same thing. They are two different things. If you don't know the difference, you can ask me. I'll do a video on it. But micro links and beaded wefts are two different things. And then these are all my croc clips, and I really love these steel like duck clips. I love these. They work so well. And then these are my combs. This is my carbon chaser comb, so it doesn't melt. And then I just got this comb from the dollar store, and I love it. It's so cute. And it was only $1. So I think I'm gonna go back and get like 2 more. These are my remotes for the TV, and that is my touchless like thermometer, so I can make sure that anyone who comes in here does not have a fever. I mean, this is just the world that we live in. I also keep a box of masks in here just in case someone doesn't have one, but they don't get to come in here until they have a mask on, and they have to keep it on at all times. And then this is just like a little sign that I got the idea from this other stylist on YouTube, and so I just changed the wording a little bit, but it's just a way to kind of boost your reviews on Google. So the incentive is 10% off of their service. It does not include any products or hair, but it's just a really great incentive to get reviews. I got this chair from Facebook Market, and it has this little like damage right here, but other than that it doesn't have any really damage. Oh, the foot pedal is missing, but they can still put their feet there. And other than that, like, it's nice. You see, it's got that shine. I just cleaned it up, and I got this chair for basically little of nothing. It was basically almost free. Crazy, right? So make sure you check your Facebook Market in your area, because you can find a lot of great stuff for the low. Okay, let's talk about this mirror. It is 43 inches in diameter. I got it from IKEA, you know it, and it was only $80. If you try to find a mirror that's this big, it's not going to be $80. It's going to be like hundreds of dollars. So this is definitely a blessing, and I love this mirror so much. So if you're looking for a huge mirror for like little of nothing, you want to go to IKEA and find that. And then lastly is my wash area, and I did the backsplash with these like stickers, wall stickers that I got from the dollar store. So if you can see, yeah, you see that? So these are just stickers that I got from the dollar store. I spent $6 to do this whole area, and I might take it a little bit higher, but I like it because this is an apartment, you guys, and I don't want to create any damage whatsoever. So everything has to be basically temporary. So this is how I make sure that I don't have any splashback on the wall or mess up anything while I'm shampooing or if I'm rinsing out color for bundles. And then I got that little laundry basket from IKEA for $3, and I love it because it has handles. So at the end of the night, I can just pick it up and take it to the wash. And I like my pink towels. I did not get black because that's so boring. And then this is my wash space, and I basically only use 3 different shampoos and conditioners, the Nairobi, the Olaplex, and the Influence, and that's what I have there. And then I always wash hair with gloves on, so that's what's in that, pink and black gloves, because I have to wash with gloves. It's kind of dirty in there because like I said, it's the end of the day, but this sink is so great. I got this whole unit off of Amazon for like $200, you guys. So if you are a stylist and you're working from home, this I think is by far the best unit that you could possibly get because it's all in one. It looks so professional, it works so well. And then I just changed out the head. Oh, I'll show you that. So it comes with this head, and this is plastic. It looks like it's metal, but it's not. It's plastic, and it's really soft. So I changed it out with this shower head. It has 6 settings on it, and it's way more powerful. I cover way more surface area, and all you have to do is go to Home Depot and get this little gold thing called a nipple to make it fit the cord that comes with your shampoo bowl, and you'll be good to go. So that's that area, and that's it. So this is my whole salon. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. Well, I know I'm gonna do a little bit more as far as like wall decals and wall decor. But all in all, for my little home salon or home room, hair room rather, I'm so happy with how it came out, and I love it. So you guys tell me what you think about my hair room, and leave any suggestions, any comments you may have. I would love to hear what you've got to say. My clients absolutely love it. They love coming in here, and I love coming in here day after day. But I was just wondering what you guys think, and if you have any comments or suggestions, make sure you leave them. Thank you. Have a great day.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there